Divide 679 divided by 2. In order to find out how many times 2 goes into 679, we go one digit at a time. 2 goes into 6 3 times. Write your 3. Now multiply 3 to 2 and write that underneath. 6 minus 6 is 0. Write down 0 and drop down the next number, which is 7. Now repeat the process. 2 goes into 7, not evenly, but it goes into 6 3 times. So we write out a 3, do 3 times 2, which is 6, and subtract those numbers. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now we drop down the next number, which is 9. 2 goes into 19 9 times. That's because 9 times 2 is 18. So it's not exact. And when I subtract, I'm going to get a remainder of 1. Now, since I'm out of numbers, this is my remainder. So my answer is going to be 339 remainder 1. So it goes into it 339 exact times, and you have one little number left over. And that's how you do 679 divided by 2.